you thinking about a family cruise in the Mediterranean? In this video, I'm going to be covering the top cruise lines that cater specifically to families in the Mediterranean to ensure a memorable and fun-filled vacation.
Showcase suggestions, where I share travel tips and lists of 5 to help make traveling with kids a little easier.
Hi everyone, my name is Christina and I am the owner of Showcase the World Travel, a modern travel agency dedicated to helping families take a break from the busy. And a great way to travel with families are cruises, because you don't have to worry about packing all the kids' stuff up, all the things that come with kids, and moving it from destination to destination as you are exploring. So being on a cruise gives you access to incredible kids activities on board, but as well as the incredible destinations that you're going to visit. So I love planning cruises for families. I think it's a great introduction to Europe for them, to the Mediterranean. So if you're planning a trip with the kids, we're going to cover my 5 favorite family cruise lines specifically for the Mediterranean. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more family travel tips and tricks. Starting with my favorite for families, Disney Cruise Line. It brings its magic into the Mediterranean with characters your kids love, themed entertainment, family-oriented activities. They offer a dream come true experience for your kids and yourself. What I love is that their itineraries include engaging port adventures that really bring the destination to life. So if you're on a family tour in Rome, it's gonna be exploring ancient ruins in a scavenger hunt, or something equally exciting that's not just a, hey, let's check this box off your list. Next, we have Royal Caribbean, which is renowned for its action-packed ships. I really like these ships for families. I don't think that their excursions are as balanced as Disney Cruise Line, but I do think they do a great job with things like family beach days in Nice and really trying to make port stops an exciting part of the journey. But the ship is incredible with water parks, rock climbing, and family-friendly shows. It definitely makes it a top choice. MSC Cruises. They're actually based in the Mediterranean, and they offer a vibrant mix of European charm and family-friendly amenities. What I love about MSC Cruises is they're not going to be solely Americans traveling on board. You're going to have a really great mix of different nationalities and kids from different countries in the kids club, and the food is very much focused on the destination versus something that's going to appeal to everyone. So I really think that this is a great option in the Mediterranean. Norwegian is also up there on my list for families because it's great flexibility and variety of dining options. The ship has a casual atmosphere with activities for all ages, including teens clubs. And Norwegian's Mediterranean cruises feature excursions like a family-friendly paella cooking class in Valencia, Spain. I really like the Haven rooms on Norwegian Cruise Line. I think that those are really great for families. So in terms of being able to sleep comfortably, I think the staterooms on Disney Cruise Line and Norwegian Cruise Line are the best when you are dealing with multiple people sleeping in the same cabin. Speaking of staterooms, we do have an incredible guide. It's called Your Guide to Figuring Out the Best Stateroom for Your Family, and you can get that by following the link below. Those are 4, so let's go into our 5th. Our 5th is Regent's 7 Seas Cruises. It rounds out our list with a touch of luxury. Regent is an all-inclusive cruise experience with a wide array of family-friendly excursions in the Mediterranean. What I love about these ships is they're so much smaller, which allows for more personalized service and access to exclusive ports. So imagine exploring the hidden coves of the Greek islands or enjoying a private tour of Pompeii versus being let off a cruise ship with 4,000 other people. If you're thinking of booking your family cruise, make sure you download that Choosing Your Best Stateroom for Your Family guide that I mentioned. You can get that below. Thank you so much for joining me to explore your best family-friendly cruises for Mediterranean adventure. If you need help choosing the right cruise line, the right itinerary, the right stateroom, our team is here to help. We have some incredible cruise experts here at Showcase the World Travel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with other families dreaming of their next vacation. Safe travels, and I hope you and your family create wonderful memories on your next cruise. Don't forget to take a break from the busy.
Need help planning your next family vacation? Visit us at showcasetheworld.com to request a quote or schedule a free vacation consultation. Want more great travel tips? You'll find those there too.